Transform your dull Notion galleries into visually stunning hubs with eye-catching cover images. First, let's address the problem: default gallery covers that don't exactly scream organized or inspiring. To add a cover, hover over the gallery card you want to customize and click the 3 dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Change Cover. You'll then be presented with options. Upload lets you use an image from your computer. Link allows you to embed one from the web, or you can pick something from Notion's built-in gallery with tons of free images. I'm going to choose Upload and pick an image I have saved. Perfect for this project. Once the image uploads, you might want to adjust its placement, so click Reposition. Drag the image around until you find the perfect crop, then click Save Changes. And just like that, your gallery card has a beautiful, custom cover image. Repeat these steps for each card, and watch your Notion gallery transform into a visually engaging and highly organized workspace. Now, go make your Notion galleries shine with amazing cover images. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks.